them up. I'm in the overpass. Herald-Tribune, just gotta swing around first. I'll be up there in a minute.
Watch 2, we got him. Southbound 301, approaching 30th.
It's watch hazard. Everyone back off. Out of sight.
Southbound past 30th. Still southbound right-hand lane 301.
You want me to try to stop stick him or no? Yes.
Still southbound past 38.
Manatee, he is solo in the truck. Scraggly white male with a black t-shirt.
Average 41 is at 53rd, almost 301.
Watch 2, correction. He's going to be coming up to 38. I think he just got stop stick. Still southbound.
Stop it, got him. Stop it, got him.
Still southbound through 38. Southbound right-hand lane. He's swerving all over. Still southbound 301. Southbound 301. He's going from lane to lane. Still southbound coming up to 51st. Southbound coming up to 51st. Left-hand lane.
How's his speed looking?
Which one is it? He's at 51st now? 10-4, left lane.
Eastbound 51st. Eastbound 51st. Almost signal forward into a pole. Eastbound 51st. Moving real slow.
27 out of 51st and 15. Mark unit on 51st. Turn your blue lights off. Yes, I did stop stick on both driver's side. Got hit. Good. Okay, not pursuing, but he just lost his tire.
Still eastbound 51st. Still eastbound 51st. Coming up to 33rd.
Everybody off the radio with the helicopter.
Southbound 33rd. Southbound 33rd. Moving real slow. We might be getting ready to bail. Moving real slow. If you guys are close, I'd start moving in now because he's barely moving. I think his truck's finally giving out on him.
I'm right behind him. Somebody get behind me. Just telling me stop.
Average 21 is right behind you, let's go.
Alright, he stopped in the middle of the lane. Deputies are coming to approach him now. Watch your crossfire, guys. Watch your crossfire.
43, he is single zero with a handgun.
What's your 20? 5100, 33rd, 5100, 33rd.
They're right in front of Save-A-Lot on 33rd. Right in front of Save-A-Lot.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Stay in your car.
He said no, so shots fired, let's go.
Manatee, I've been shot in the arm, right arm.
Manatee, make sure you got EMS rolling.
It's 1039.
by McDonald's. Get out of our crossfire. McCabe, I'm not by McDonald's. I'm over in the parking lot. That's a CID person. Walk off the road and get out of there. Shut down the intersection at 30-30-70. Shut down the intersection at 30-30-70. Stop the east-west traffic. Stop the east-west traffic. 140, you got north side units going 97. I'll take that intersection. I'll be there shortly. 1050. Do you have any view of the driver from where you're at? I had. He's either stepped down. I don't see any movement at all. Should we deploy a dog now or not? No, not if he's armed. I'm not going to take that risk. What? Do you have a PA on your helicopter? Well, he does. His car's behind the 1050 call out challenge command for him. I'm at 30-30-70. Is he still in the truck? He's still in the truck. Hold the traffic. Hold all the traffic. A1 SWAT, code 5, if you're up to approach the vehicle. Mike Sergeant Scout is going to be 61 here shortly. Walking to his truck now. Careful, someone needs to stop all the traffic coming out of Sweetbay. One, you need to get back to right where that truck is pulling up right now. Block all that traffic coming south. There's a deputy at the entrance of McDonald's. Can you tell those people to drive out of there back towards you with your PA? That's just my call. I'm not there.
Watch 2, we need to someone cut off traffic on 301 at 51st also.
Anyone on scene have a shield with SWAT. Wait on Scout to get here. Once he gets here, we can put a team together to approach. Hey, Fontaine, you're 97, SWAT. Alright, we need a shield up here ASAP. Approach from behind the stop. The stop is facing south. Approach from the north side of the stop. 10 more. Fontaine, where are you at? Hey, I'm 97, going through the parking lot now. Trying to get on the back side of that stop. Give me a location there, beat you. You got EMS gone for Lieutenant, right? Yeah, I told him to come in from 51st. No.
Watch 2, he's still in the driver's seat. He's still in the driver's seat.
Can you see motion at all?
No, he hasn't moved in our 2 passes.
Okay, we still have movement in the vehicle. We still have movement in the vehicle. Is there any other SWAT on that 97? 33rd. Call out to the blue vehicle and have them make a U-turn and leave the area straight in front of you, the PA. You need to shut down the exit of McDonald's, so keep coming out there. Shut down McDonald's. One out of 17. Give me more units so I can shut down this plaza so I can get people from the crossfire here, please. We should have north units going 50 or 97 there, Captain. Get into the plaza and shut down the plaza. Don't let anybody move through the plaza. I'll take it. Fontaine, where you at? Down by the Dollar General. I'm trying to suit up.
We got EMS coming where they needed exactly.
Have them come up first, 51st and 33rd. Hey, whoever's coming that's on SWAT, meet me at the Dollar General parking lot. You'll see my Tahoe. 97. You're not 33rd, get that ambulance, go around it off 50, off 30th. Go around off 30th. You're not coming through here. Take 30th.